Hi guys, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. I told you guys that your tip master, I'm always on the highway to give you something important, something that will help the industry. You get it? Especially for beginners barbers. You understand? Those who are just joining the industry don't know where to start, don't know where to go. I'm here for you guys. So if you come across this page, make sure you follow me, stay connected for more tips like this. I want us to learn something about color dye. Color dye is one of the key points that is in the industry that most of barbers don't know how to go by it. You understand? Especially beginners barbers, they don't know where to start, where to go, how to do gold color, how to get green color like this, how to get, let's say, pink and those stuff. The method is simple. The method is simple. If you want to, let me start from the good color. This is the good powder. You see how it is? This is how it is. This is the good powder. As you guys can see, we have different brands that sell good color. I don't know wherever you find yourself. If you're in Ghana, I can give you a specific place that you can get all the colors to buy. So as you guys can see, you can see that this is the good color. So let me demonstrate something for you. I just finished barbering a client right now, and this was his hair. As you guys can see, I keep this hair for purposely for torturing. As a professional barber, I want to help the industry. I want to help upcoming, barbers to also become professionals. So I keep this hair purposely for that. As you guys can see, you can see there is black and there is gold. There is black and gold, as you guys can see. So before you get any color of your choice, you first of all have to change the black like this to good color. Before you get any color of your choice, you first of all have to change the black color to good color like this. And how are you going to do it? This is how you're going to do it. This is the good powder. So you mix it, you get yourself a container, you mix the powder, you remove, you see the powder, you pour some into a container like this. You get yourself a container like this, you understand? And the brush like this. This one I use it for black dye. The other one is that. So you get yourself a container like this, then you pour the powder in. Then you use, once you pour the powder in, the next step to do is to mix it with the hydrogen peroxide. This one too, we have it in different form, as you guys can see. This is a different brand, and this is a different brand, as you guys can see. Hydrogen peroxide. You can call it hydrogen. Sorry. So that's it. So once you mix the powder, the next thing you do is to pour this inside the powder. Then once you pour it inside the powder, then you start it to change. You understand? You start it to change. You see the picture here. Then you start it to change. You get it? Yes. So that's it. So once you change, you apply it to the black hair, But before, let me show you guys something here. Before you apply the good color, make sure the client have not applied black dye for about 2 months, or let's say 1 to 3 weeks, 1 month, 3 weeks before you're able to get the good color. Although if you apply for 1 month, you can get it, but it's not going to come like someone who have not applied black dye. So it's advisable to talk to the client once he come in for good color dye. Talk to him, know the difference, know that okay, you have applied color dye for like 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months. So once you know that, then you step into what know how to go by it, you understand? So that's it. So as you guys can see, this is the good color and this is the black color. So once you apply the good color to the black, it's going to change to good color. So if you apply it, once you mix the powder, you get it how I show you, you mix it, then you apply to black dye. You can cover it, you can decide to cover it with normal rubber or a normal cover. We have those covers the ladies use to cover it. You can decide to leave it like that depending on the size of the hair. Then after covering or leaving it like 15 to 20 minutes, you see that it will turn to good like this. So once it turn to gold like this is not pure gold. This is like a wine color. You understand? But I'm just using it to demonstrate it for you guys. It's not, you see, it's although it's like gold, but it's not pure gold. You understand? This is a wine color. This is a wine color. So that's it. So once you apply the good color, you know, and like 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes will come, then you apply any color of your choice. A lot of you guys have been asking me this question day in and day out. Please, if you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. You understand? I can't be doing one content every day. I have done a lot of videos about color dye, but most of you will just watch and go. You don't want to share for your brother to benefit. If you come across this video, the most important thing you can do for me is to share for others to benefit. That is the only thing you can do to help someone to. You understand? If you don't share and you watch and leave it, the person will come later ask me how I'm not going to do color dye. Then I have to go back and redo. Then it means I'm not going to do new content. Meanwhile, we have a lot of people don't know how to do curls, don't know how to do fading, crystals, and those stuff. We have a lot to do. Understand? So the only thing you can do is to share for others to benefit. So you understand? So once you change it to gold, then you apply any color of your choice, you're going to get it. So this is how you're going to apply this one too. What you're going to do is you're going to pour this one too. You see, this is a green color, as you guys can see. So you're going to pour this one too into the empty container. So after applying the gold, make sure you wash the bowl, clean the bowl very nice. Then you pour this powder in. The same thing. So this is consistent. You know, as for the hydrogen peroxide, is consistent. You understand? Whether you are using white, blue, green, yellow, pink, whatever color, this is consistent. This one you need it. You understand? Because it's this one that you're going to use it to apply white, to apply good, to apply green, to apply pink, to apply yellow, to apply white, to apply any color of your choice. You understand? So this is consistent. But as for the powder, we have it in different form. We have it in different form, as you guys can see. This is wine color. This is wine color, and this is a green color. As you guys can see, I have pink color here. I have white color here. You understand? So that's it. That's it. So the process I'm showing you, once you follow the process, you are going to deliver a quality, a quality color, for your client. Once you follow the process, you're going to deliver a quality, color for your client. It's very, very important. So most of you have to pay attention to what I'm saying and share for others to benefit. So that is a very simple. So once you get your good color, it is easy. If you apply your wine color, you're gonna get it. Your green color, you're gonna get it. You mix this plus this, you get your green color. Once you have your gold color and you mix this plus this, you're gonna get the green color. You don't need anybody to show you. The same thing. Once you have your gold color, you mix this plus this, you're gonna get your gold color. What do you call your wine color? You understand? So that's it. Very simple, very easy. So I think this video is going to help a lot of you guys to achieve, when it comes to color dye. So the most important thing you have to do is once you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. Make sure you share for others to benefit. So that's how it's going to be. You understand? You get your good color first. Once you get your good color first, the second step you need to do is to pick any color of your choice. Once you pick any color of your choice, you mix it, then you apply to the hair directly, like 10 to 15 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the hair. Definitely, you're gonna get the color right. You understand? You're gonna get it right. Me, I've done all the colors. I don't know any color I haven't done yet. I have done gold, I have done pink, I have done yellow, green, you know, white, gray color, ash color, what do you call it? Any color, any color, you can name them. I have done all of them. You understand? If you go to my Instagram page, Fresh VGA, you see that I have posted a lot of videos about it, color dye. If you go deep, like 1 year, 2 years ago, you see everything there. You understand? So that's it. So as a professional barber, there is a lot in the industry you need to learn when it comes to color dye. It's very, very important. If you want to go far in the industry, color dye plays a major role. Nowadays, most of, especially age between, let's say, 25, ladies 25 to, let's say, 40s, they are interested in color dye. That age range, they are very, very interested in color dye. So if you're a professional barber and you don't know how to mix color dye, how to get your color dye done, you need to learn it. And that is why this page is dedicated for beginners barbers, those who don't know where to start, how to do color dye and those stuff. This page is restricted for that. And I'm here to answer all your questions. If you have any question, all you can do is to share, like, comment. If you chat me on Messenger here, I'll reply. But if you chat me on WhatsApp, I have a lot of messages on WhatsApp. I cannot reply all of them. Sometimes I go through the kind of message, some just hi, that's all. And when the welcome message come, they don't answer, they don't put anything. So sometimes I don't even open their chat. You understand? So if you chat me here, it will be easy for me to reply you than chat me on WhatsApp. You understand? And especially if you comment, if you want to know anything, I get time for comment. Those who comment on my page, I get time for them. Once you ask a question, I'll make sure I'll answer you, and we can go long as till you understand what you are asking for. You understand? So that's it. This is our number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. You know how we do it. Make sure you learn how to do color dye. Make sure you learn. It's very, very important. You understand? And the process I just show you, once you follow this process, you have no problem. You can also teach others. Yes. Once you follow this process, you are best. And you can also teach others to also do the same. You understand? And we are moving forward. That is how we grow. We keep learning. Barbering, I keep telling you guys that barbering is a creative industry. This industry is a creative industry. So you cannot say I'm the best. I cannot say I'm the best. Nobody is the best. You understand? We are all learning from each other. We are all day in and day out, new things are popping up in the industry. You understand? Especially hairstyles. A lot of hairstyles are popping up. Taper hairstyle, 3 steps, 2 steps, afro hair, ladies hair, whatever, whatever. A lot of hairstyles are popping up. You understand? So let's say you are a barber 3 days ago or 4 days ago, or let's say 4 years, 2, 3, 5, 10 years ago. It's not that haircut that is raining today. You understand? So we need to learn. We need to learn from each other. That is the best thing we can do for each other. Help assist each other. Barbers, we don't love ourselves. A barber will come across, maybe a barber cut a nice hair and post. He will never like. He will never comment. He will never share. But he will go into an artist that the artist don't even value and go and post that artist on his page, at the same time like, comment. You understand? You see, we don't love ourselves. If you want to go far, we have to work as a team, as a professional barbers. If you come across my video, you like. If I come across your video, I like, I share, I follow you, you follow me, then we are building together. That is how we build love. That is how we build industry. You understand? How can you be a barber and be following footballers? How can you be a barber and be following artists? You understand? Meanwhile, you follow barbers, you don't follow them. They are the ones that are going to push you. You see, when anytime artist release a song, you see that this artist will tweet it on Twitter. This artist will post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok, post it on Facebook. You understand? Then they are pushing the person. We don't do that. You will come across my video, you will not like, you will not share, you will not comment, you just pass. Me too, I'll come across your video, I'll not like, I'll not share. What is the love in the industry? We need to build that love together. It's very, very important.